Today, after years of dreaming, the next grand idea is before us as we open the Dan and Cassidy Tauris Idea Space.
Opening Idea Space today is the fulfillment of many years' work and represents a new era of educational opportunity for the students of Kansas City.
Dan and Cassidy are making significant and fitting change in the lives of our children in Kansas City and across the United States. They recognize how important STEAM education is, as do you, and that is why we're here today.
We greatly appreciate the Barstow Schools and Idea Spaces Association with the Leawood Chamber and the City of Leawood.
It is just really exciting to hear your partnerships with other school districts, and I know this is going to mean so much to the community.